To another video today. We're playing a very OG, very old, it's recently updated, but very old OG game. Today we're going to be playing a 2015. Wow. We'll be playing, wow. Okay, look at them visits. Epic freaking mini games. This game, OG game, one of my favorite, actually, I used to play this game a lot back in the day. Like, this game was like one of my favorite games. This game was made in 2015. Like, man, I played this game a lot. Like, this game, I'm like a god gamer at this game. So I'm too godly. I'm too godly, extra godly. So yep, the game is exactly the same how I used to be. Still have my title. I'm a fighter. Oh my god, the lag. Oh my god, the lag out. What's this one store for me? This game is exactly the same. It actually hasn't updated that much from what I'm seeing right now. Oh, I can buy a new noob. Why would I buy that? I don't understand. Curious. Adventurer, lucky, brave, cool, sporting, truster, data. What? Oh shoot! Let's fight pirates. Let's fight pirates, boys. Let's go. Defend yourself. The pirates are coming. Kill all the pirates. Wait, I can't slash. Okay, I can. Kill the pirates. Kill them. Oh shoot, they're boarding my ship. Get off my ship. Get off my ship, boy. Ah! Don't die. Make sure you pirates don't kill me. You wanna die? Hey, you wanna die? You wanna die, pirates? You wanna die? No, I'm gonna get destroyed. Pirates are destroying me. No, dang it. No, run. Just run. Dang it, no! Come on. Ah! Anyway, we'll go get some $150 coins. What is this? Why? What is this? Yeah, flame. Okay. What else we got? We got Roblox logo. My God. Hit as many as you can. I can't. Fish what? Fish what? Am I a fish? Where am I? What am I? This game is broken. Guys, the game broke. I'm just gonna reset. Bro, the game broke. Bro. Like, I don't know how you could die, but just don't ask. I mean, y'all. Oh, you see what happened? I was just reset because the game broke. This game is probably because it's really old. It hasn't even been really updated that much. Yeah, it's exactly the same. I remember this little obby. You gotta climb up this ladder. Not into the wall, but up the ladder. Whoa. Yeah. I can do this. I'm a really good obby player. Obviously, as you can see from them skills, look at them skills. And then you can climb up here into the water. Skit. A boat for why? I don't know. Minigame will be chosen. Lava forecast. Ooh, finally a mini game. Let's get my gaming mode on. Definitely not actually super sus. I just want to play some Rage Runner today. Definitely didn't just leave. Okay, yeah, I left the game. That game. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about what just happened. I don't know. I think this game. I think this game's kind of better. Kind of better. Kind of. Oh shoot! No! This part is easy. Just make the jump. That's all I have to do. This game basically does the jump for me. Shoot. Okay. If I think I'm gonna overshoot, just stop. Overshot it there. So there you go. Perfect jump. Okay, I'm going to overshoot it this time, definitely. So go ahead, do it again. Dang it, too much. Too much stopping. Okay, this way. I have an idea. Why? I was doing too good to die. Move people. Too many people. Come on, this is my pad. Fall. E. Oh shoot. Okay, I have to stop right there and get back on track. Yes, we actually made it, guys. Alright. How? That's an impossible fucking jump! Get make it! So dumb, man! Bro, how you supposed to make this, bro? Like, how you supposed to make that, bro? How she do it? What? Okay. Okay, I see. Shoot. Why should I stupid? So no! Great, I'm in Entity World now. Look at that red death. No, back to black and white. Yeah. E. Damn. Now get to my. What is 5 seconds left? Is there a point to finishing this game? I don't know. Let's see. Probably not. We're gonna try it. I'm gonna try it. Not erase it. It's just dumb. Just dumb. Just dumb. It's just dumb. It's just dumb. Oh my god, bro. Wow, Sapphire on first try. That is actually extremely lucky. Something actually good happened. No way. Let's get this. Yep. First day I get my new trail and I die. Come on, man! Oh, great. Oh my god! I don't understand! Whoa! It just gravity. I'm done. I'm done.